Hello again, everybody. John from Knight and Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. Today we have a 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie. This is my personal truck. Over a year ago, we installed our flagship Fireball 10-year, 2-layer, 2-part self-healing ceramic coating. And this is the 1-year update. We did not do any maintenance today. Just gave it a nice winter wash to get all the salt and grime and muck off of it and dried it. This thing looks absolutely glorious over a year later. If memory serves me correct, we installed it in February of 2022. We are a company in business that does not sell products we would not put on our own vehicles. As you can see, this thing looks like glass. The reflection on this thing is absolutely insane. If you're interested in a ceramic coating or have questions about coatings, or you're interested in truck accessories or window tinting, please email us at info@KnightAutoPCD.com. You can call or text the office here at 440-666-8684. Once again, my name is John, Knight and Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. We will see you in the next video. Cheers, everybody.